Hello traders, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Already I have posted a video regarding external signal like how to automate all those signals through TradingView. Today in this video we'll explore more about external signals using indicators and how to give entry conditions and exit conditions. So if you have missed our previous video, do check it out right away, which has been pinned in the I icon. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So in previous video, I have talked about how to add external signal using price action. Now let's see how it works when we give the external signal using indicators. If you are going to add indicators, you have to create separate links for both entry condition as well as exit condition. Let's see how to do this in Quantman. As usual, log in into Quantman platform. Once you have logged in, go to create strategy page. In that, give Nifty as your instrument. In add indicator, type external signal and rename it as external signal 1 because I am going to create two signals for both my entry as well as for my exit condition. Once you have renamed it, generate postback URL. Copy that link and give here save. Go to TradingView. In TradingView, we can give any indicators based on your strategy. I am going to give here a chandelier exit. So it will give me both buy and sell signals. With this only, I am going to create an alert. So click on alert and give the conditions based on your strategy. I am going to give here as CE buy, which means that whenever chandelier exit gives me a buy signal, I will buy a call option. So I'll give here as entry. So go to notifications tab and paste the URL which has been already generated through Quantman. And give create. Go to Quantman. And in add indicators, give external signal. And I'm going to rename it as external signal 2. This is for my exit condition. Again, generate the postback URL, copy that link and give here a save. Now go to TradingView, take the alert, and now what I want is whenever the chandelier exit gives me a sell signal, I want to just exit from my trade. So I am going to give here as exit. Go to notifications tab and paste the URL which has been already generated through Quantman and give create. So now go to Quantman, give entry condition as external signal 1 is true, which means that whenever the chandelier exit gives me a buy signal, I want to buy a call option. And now give exit condition as external signal 2 is true, which means that whenever the indicator gives me a sell signal, then I have to exit from my trade. Yeah, I'm going to give my lot as 5 and give submit. Yeah, that's it. Not only for this type of indicator, for many indicators you can give the alerts based on the conditions you want. For example, let me take another indicator like QQE. It will give the signals like long and short. So I'll just go to alert and give the condition based on that. Like if I'm going for buying a call option, then whenever the alert signal gives me long, then I'll buy a call option. And whenever it is a short, then I'll exit from the trade. If you want to check whether all your trades has been executed at the right time, you can check in the logs. Hope this video finds useful for you. If you have any doubts regarding external signal, do let us know in the comment section. For more such videos and updates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Happy trading!